Sebulina Majumdar, and I'm the project manager for the iSolutions National Meeting project. Giving you a brief overview on how and why this project came into being. Based on the proposal set in the annex of the document 26/2020, Council decided to add a meetings management solution to the iSolutions program offer. The objective being to be able to aid the iSolutions member in order to manage their meetings at the national level in a more efficient and effective manner, and thus help them in the standard development process. Over the last 1 year, we've been working very closely with our iSolutions Task Force 1 members. We validated the platform's requirements with them, set out the product design with them. We have kept them regularly updated on how the project's development is coming along. And once we went live, we went and onboarded some of our Task Force 1 members on a voluntary basis as early adopters. The joint decision that we had taken was to implement a solution with minimal customizations for the first version. And then based on the feedback that we received, we would integrate more features in order to improve the functionalities of the solution. So we've received very valuable and positive feedback from our members who've been trying out the system for the last couple of months. And based on the feedback received for them, we are ready to onboard more iSolutions members on an ongoing basis into this meetings platform. The scope and functionality delivered as part of version 1 of the application includes all standard functionalities that are similar to the ones that are available in ISO meetings, such as view, search, and create meetings, manage social events, register to meetings, either self-register or be registered by the National Meeting Participant Approver, receive notifications, currently only in English, and provide the possibility to the NSB to translate the UI to a language of their choice. We are not going to be migrating legacy data of national meetings, and for the version 1, we are not considering integrating with Zoom for creation of virtual meetings. There are no feedback surveys, and we are not going to allow the possibility to configure tasks per member. The translation of notifications is also not available for version 1, and also no custom reporting. The project status as it stands today, the solution was launched to our Task Force 1 members as early adopters in July 2021 as part of the new multi-scope meetings platform. We have currently a few pilots running, and SNV was fully onboarded as of November 2021. We look forward to onboarding the rest of our iSolutions members beginning Q1 of 2022. In the meanwhile, if you have any queries, please do write to us at isolutions@iso.org, and we'll be happy to answer your questions. Thank you.